Hi guys! Instagram has the huge music library to add tracks to your stories and reels. But what if you wish to upload your own track for your video? Let me show you how to do this. Instagram doesn't allow you to add your own tracks to your stories, but you can install a third-party video editor. I recommend you to use CapCut, for example. It's pretty powerful even in free version. Also, you can use paid version anytime. So open the editor. If you need to sign in, if you have an account, I recommend you to sign in to back up your projects. Now, I don't need to sign in so far. Let's just tap on New Project, select your video you wish to post, tap on Add. And now right under the video track, you can add audio. So tap on this label. So you have few options. You can choose sounds, you can choose sound effects, you can record audio, you can extract audio from video. A lot of options, guys, and best of all, they are free. So now let's tap on sounds to add our own track, and here in this bar you need to choose the folder icon, then tap on device, allow access, and I have downloaded tracks here, so you can add track over here. Tap and hold to move. You can also cut your track. To cut your track, just tap on split here. Delete the part you don't need. Now export your video in good quality. These settings are good enough for me. Let's export. Now you can close this application, close everything, and go back to your Instagram. Tap on the plus icon, add story, switch to gallery, this icon, and select your latest video just created with CapCut. Now you have your own track in your story. You just post this story, and everything is completed. So guys, hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye guys.